Music isn't just what I do, it's who I am. Music is my native language. It's my identity. Composing is like storytelling. With colors, forms, shapes, and textures. Mastering your craftsmanship is the first step to freedom. It aims to take you in an awesome experience and immerses your place. Where technology meets art, it is still miraculous. Sound is the only shape that exists when you close your eyes. But you can't see it, it can make you dream away. Icons have always set the standard and challenge you to go further. Those are the moments to beat, to achieve the next step, to make a difference. Music is more than a lifestyle. It puts you in the best seat of the house. We're gonna have a great time together. Meet the Aalto F5 speakers, born from passion, designed to accelerate.